Jai Jinendra, Namaskar. I, Bharti Jan, welcomes you again with my mission, a step of healthy and prosperous India towards global health, peace and harmony. We all know the importance of yoga. But let us know what is yoga. We all know that it relaxes and calms body. But yoga has much more to offer. Yoga is derived from the Sanskrit word yuj, meaning to unite or integrate. Yoga meaning union. It's a Hindi spiritual quest to experience the breath, mind and divine by creating awareness in our deeper conscious and balance our mind. Thus the aim of yoga is self-realization, to overcome all kind of sufferings leading to the state of liberation, that is moksha, or freedom, that is kaivalya. So yoga is a 5,000 years old ancient practices adopted by all who want to achieve peace and serenity. Namuka Gym comes to light as an innovative and effective approach. Namuka Gym is a holistic health approach that emphasizes on connection between mind, body, word and spirit. You don't need any particular equipment for this. It is easy and can be practiced anywhere, whether in your home, school or an office. We sometimes think why we are not able to do what we want to. But with Namuka Gym, focus is laid not only on specific parts of the body or illness, but on the whole person and how he or she interacts with his or her environment. Today everyone is distressed either physically or mentally and are desperate to take wrong step. But with Namuka Gym therapy, you can enter into the world full of opportunities and unleash your inner talents. Today everyone suggests renounce your ego, don't be angry, but no one tells how. But with Namuka Gym Yoga, you can enlighten your deepest desire and ambitions and helps in overall physical, mental, intellectual, spiritual and emotional development. Rightly said, like a flower bud, human life has the potential to blossom fully. Blossoming of human potential to fullness is yoga. And on this International Yoga Day, we have started a campaign, Boost Your Immunity, ranging from kids to senior citizen, corporates to sports to international peace lovers. Just have a glimpse of it.
Om
सांस भरते हुए हाथों को इस तरीके से कंधों की तरफ ले जाएंगे और अंगूठों को कंधे पे टच करने की कोशिश करेंगे, वो चला जाएगा। और सांस छोड़ते हुए धीरे धीरे वापस अपनी नॉर्मल पोजीशन में आएंगे।
The difference between the first run and the second run was a really big difference, 1.20 seconds. The main thing, the visualization which I did before the race, that helped me.
It is very much important rather than these petty issues. So these petty issues are not our targets, our target is here. So we have to look at our target through these petty issues. Breathe out and slowly gradually breathe.
Open your hands like lotus. Just feel I am becoming more and more confident. I am becoming more and more confident in my life. Slowly exhale and come back to your normal position.
नमोका जिम में ये 5 मुद्राएं सिखाई गई हैं जिनको हम सांसों की गति के हिसाब से लेते हैं और छोड़ते हैं, और इसका इफेक्ट पूरे शरीर को पड़ता है। मुझे इससे सबसे ज़्यादा फ़ायदा सर्वाइकल पेन और स्टमक थाई, इनमें बहुत फ़ायदा हुआ है। और अपने हैंड्स की पूरी मूवमेंट हो रही है इससे। चेस्ट में खिंचाव आ रहा है कंधों में, और मेंटली बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग बनते हैं। ये जो कोरोना वगैरह है या किसी भी तरह का हमें जो डर है उस सबको भूल जाते हैं इसको करने से।
मैं भारती के द्वारा कराई गई एक्टिविटीज में से एक एक्टिविटी करने जा रही हूँ। मैं स्वस्थ हूँ, सुरक्षित हूँ, मेरा परिवार स्वस्थ है, सुरक्षित है, ये देश स्वस्थ है, सुरक्षित है। मैं स्वस्थ हूँ, सुरक्षित हूँ, मेरा परिवार स्वस्थ है, सुरक्षित है, ये देश स्वस्थ है, सुरक्षित है। मैं स्वस्थ हूँ, सुरक्षित हूँ, मेरा परिवार स्वस्थ है, सुरक्षित है, ये देश स्वस्थ है, सुरक्षित है। मैं स्वस्थ हूँ, सुरक्षित हूँ, मेरा परिवार स्वस्थ है, सुरक्षित है, ये देश स्वस्थ है, सुरक्षित है।
मैं हर रोज मैथ की पढ़ाई करने से पहले ये करता हूँ। इससे मुझ में कॉन्फिडेंस आता है और मेरी पढ़ाई भी अच्छी होती है और मम्मा मुझे शाबाश कहती है। थैंक यू। हम दादा दादी के साथ उम्री मरामती करते हैं। इससे हम हेल्दी रहें और लॉकडाउन भाग जाए और हम प्रो एनर्जी करते हैं, जैसे सब लोग ठीक हो जाएं और कोरोना भाग जाए।
So, the benefits of this mudra are it improves the flow of oxygen to the brain and improves concentration, relieves stress and increases the lungs capacity.
It helps us to keep our heart and lungs strong. Behavior of the person is purified with positive feelings. The joy inside a person is increased because the center of bliss is energized. Thank you.
And I was just amazed to see the beautiful presentation of Bharati. And I've told her from the first day that she's the Bharat Mata ki Bharati, so she proved it today also that she has done a wonderful job. I was so amazed to see the way that she deal with the be the better version of yourself, because I think that's the best way. If you have peace inner, you'll be able to give others peace too. So it started with a confirmation that I can do it, you can do it, and then we can do it. So it started with yourself, with your self-esteem, with your views, with your good intention, with your actions. So I think that's the best. She was one of the best that I really was impressed, amazed, and I would love to have attended more of her workshop. And I think if we have more people like her, definitely this world will be a better change. Thank you.
I thought it was just so powerful to work with that affirmation and to work with the Namakar mantra and Miss Bharti Jain was just she really infused me with positivity and a sort of power, and just for me personally, it gave me it really restored a sense of confidence and really, I think more than anything, empowerment. So I was very impressed by it, but more than anything, I'm excited to work with that practice in the days to come, because I could feel the potential and the power. So that's that. I could say a lot more, but that's what I'll just say that. That's what comes to mind right now.
उपाध्याय मुद्रा से क्षमा व ज्ञान भाव बढ़ता है। इससे सर्वाइकल, गर्दन व कमर दर्द में आराम मिलता है।
मेरी कमर बहुत दर्द करती है, 1 घंटा भी मैं नहीं बैठ सकती हूँ चेयर पे, लेकिन आज सवेरे से बैठी हूँ, मुझे ही पता नहीं कैसे बैठी हूँ। थोड़ा भी दर्द नहीं हो रहा है।
मुझे ऐसा लगा मेरे कानों से काला धुआं निकल रहा है। लास्ट टाइम भी मुझे यही लगा, काफी दूर जाता गया।
मुझे इन सब मुद्राओं से बहुत ज़्यादा फायदा हुआ है। मेरी इंटरनल पावर बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रांग हुई है, मुझे वजन कम करने में हेल्प की है और मेरा सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ गया है। धन्यवाद।
What is human being made of? Human being is made of body, mind and soul. And how we can satisfy these 3 elements? Just think about it. In order to satisfy these 3 elements, we need knowledge, health and inner peace. Yoga is the food for our body that satisfies these 3 requirements. Yoga, being 5,000 years old, is still prevalent and practiced. And Namokarjam Yoga is an innovative step to holistically integrate mind, body, words and spirit, so that a person can be enlightened from the inside. Namokarjam Yoga is a scientifically, spiritually and psychologically proven way to deal with physical, mental, emotional and spiritual health. In this world of chaos and hazards, Namokarjam Yoga is a gateway to find inner strength, peace, inner purification and become self-aware in relation to one's nature and surrounding. When we are stressed, disappointed or irritated or not getting what we want, then what happens? We shout, we hit ourselves and we cry. We feel loneliness as if we have no one with us, but everyone is against us. But that's not true, because you have yourself and that's what matters. With Namokarjam Yoga, you can be healthy and capable in believing in yourself, self-realization, self-reliance. By practicing various mudras of Namokarjam Yoga with mantras and respective colors, we can become self-reliant with a healthy body and mind. We hope that Namokarjam Yoga filled your life with hope and optimism, and we hope it would continue to do so in future also. With regular practices of Namokarjam Yoga, you can wash all your ego, selfishness and temptations and lead to a harmonious life. Hope you enjoyed a balanced Namokarjam journey for a successful life. Journey doesn't end here. It still continues. So always remain happy and healthy. May your family remains happy, healthy and safe. May this country remain safe and may the whole world remain safe. With this holy wish, I, Bharti Jain, saying goodbye to all the illness, all the diseases and goodbye to Corona. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Jagat.